What's going on, guys? I know it's been a long time. Well, not really that long. About 2 weeks, I think. But it's all because this thing was taking me forever to get done because I've just been super busy. And I was waiting on some parts, the gasket, and there's a couple other things. And then, you know, it took me a little while to put it together. And I didn't really want to film it because, you know, I literally just took it apart 2 videos ago. So it's kind of like, you guys already saw me pretty much do everything. But something that did happen is I snapped this cord off. This is the negative terminal because it was really loose. Like the wires were like coming apart. So I went ahead and cut it, and so I have to add another wire so I can go to the battery and all that good stuff. But yeah, and then she should be pretty much ready to start. Did a new gasket and everything. I actually bought some of these guys down here, downpipes from somebody. They're used, but I got them for like such a good deal. Like, I think it was like $100 shipped, which is $100 cheaper than if I would have bought them new. And in my opinion, it's pretty much no different for downpipes if they're new or used. I think these only have like 5,000 miles or something like that. So yeah, that's basically going to happen when I pull my motor, just because I want no part of taking these downpipes out while the motor's in. That's definitely not fun, and it's something that I'm not trying to do that. But whenever I pull this motor and do some other stuff to this car, then I'm gonna put those downpipes in. But yeah, guys, she's pretty much just been chilling here. What's up, Haley? But yeah, so right now we are going to be painting all of these and pretty much trying to do a custom interior. I'm also going to paint these guys black because I'm not really a fan of the gray. And I'm going to paint this seat. I don't know if that'll be in this video or not, but definitely something I want to do. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the gray black too, but I'm thinking that's probably what I'm going to do just to make it easy. Just make the seat solid black. Then yeah, door panels off. Looks kind of crazy. Drift car mode. Oh yeah. But yeah, we're basically just trying to transform this whole interior into something beautiful. It's gonna match this. I guess I'll show you guys the color in a minute. All right, so this is the color we're gonna go with. It's like a really dark purple. And then we're gonna do splatter paint with this green to match the valve cover. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I think it's gonna fit like the color I'm painting the car well. No, I'm not painting the car purple. No, it's not getting painted green, but I think it's gonna complement the color that it does get painted.
And we need to use the rest of this paint, okay?
Oh yeah, the rest of that, yeah. And yeah, so we'll see how it looks. I don't know, we're probably gonna get started, probably start priming.
Is this
and
the same color?
yeah, it's the same color. And then yeah, hopefully we can get this all painted today. All right, so I got all these pieces ready to be painted. Haley's working on that one. And yeah, so I'm gonna hit it with some primer first and then do purple. All right guys, so we're on the second coat of purple for these. Honestly turning out pretty good. I don't know if I'm gonna hit it with another coat or not. I might just do the green splatter paint after this and then hit it with some clear coat. I still have that to do, but this thing is looking so good. I mean, you can see a little bit of blemishes here and there, but honestly, overall, compared to what it used to look like, it looks so much better. I ended up painting the whole thing, this too. I just actually sprayed it, so it's a little wet. But yeah, dude, honestly, this camera doesn't do it justice. It looks so much better than before. Basically, it looked like this before, and I'm just not a fan of that. So I think this is a lot better. All right, guys, so this is how it's looking. I'm really liking the way this is turning out. Still have to do that piece, but these are pretty much all dried up. I'm not actually sure if this is like a Plasti Dip or not. I can't really tell. It doesn't say Plasti Dip, but I'm thinking it might be. I'm not sure. If you know, comment down below and let me know, because yeah, I'm not really sure. But next is going to be the splatter paint. And I'm not actually sure how we're gonna do it, if we're gonna like spray it, then take a paintbrush and flick it on, or if I'm just gonna like dust over it. But yeah, I think this is gonna look really good in this door. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to get it all done. And then we have to work, on the other side, and then a bunch more on the interior. But I'm not sure if we're gonna get all that done today or not, but we'll see. All right, Haley, so what do you think?
Looks good.
Ready for the green in a minute? Oh yeah.
While it's still wet?
No, we can wait till it's dry. Hey, let me ask you a question. Should we splatter paint this green?
No.
Dude, we still have so much more to do than just this. It's gonna suck. But yeah, guys, this thing, like I said before. What?
What's this?
That's for underneath the driver's seat. You didn't know that?
Then why are you painting?
Because it goes, I mean, like underneath the wheel, yeah.
Oh.
I figured I'd do one side at a time. Cameron's over there painting his bow. Is whole milk good? Not me, I drink 2%.
Your dad, but there's
Oh.
32% here.
Anyways, so yeah, comment down below if you like whole milk. No offense, you can like whole milk. I have no problem with you liking whole milk. But personally, I'm a 2% kind of person. And what are you?
2%.
She's a whole milk kind of person.
Oh. No.
Hey Cameron, are you a whole milk kind of person?
I'm a no milk kind of
I'm a
person.
no milk.
Yeah, I don't really drink milk unless it's in like smoothies. Bro, we got that breakfast stuff, right? We got some breakfast stuff because
get 2%.
yeah, I probably should do that. But anyways, because I'm starting to work out, guys. That's why I've been so tired lately. Waking up at 5:30 in the morning and getting a workout in before I go to work. Yeah, because getting a little fat, I feel. And we're going to the beach in like July 4th weekend, I think. Yeah, so, you know, I don't want to look super fat at the beach, so try to get a little workout in. Doing the splatter here. Honestly, these turned out really good. I'm loving the way that this thing looks. I cannot wait to get it all back in the car. Comment down below if you think it's gonna look good or not. I know it's a little different than like most interior colors, and it's gonna probably look like in your mind weird on this car. But guys, we have to think about the name, right? Joker Z. Purple and green for the Joker Z. Now, like I said before, the car's not gonna be purple or green. But I think you guys are gonna really like the color. I actually have picked it out, and thanks to a guy on Instagram, he actually opened up my mind to a new possibility for the car. Here's like all messed up, but yeah, so I'm not gonna tell you what I'm doing exactly, like the color, because I think I was gonna tell you guys, but the color is just so amazing. I just want to keep it a secret until I actually get it done. But the plan is around the middle of June. By the end of June, it should be painted or dipped, because we're classy dipping it. And I know it's gonna sound super crazy, and I know everyone's gonna say, oh, it's gonna look like crap, blah, blah, blah. But I'm getting the whole kit. I'm gonna get a booth and put it on the side of my house and do it the right way and get everything perfect, not just like a rattle can job. It's gonna be with a gun, and I've already been learning a lot and everything, but the color is back ordered right now. So that's why I have to wait till, I think it comes back in stock June 11th. And then I still gotta wait for it to ship and then prep the car and get everything ready. But my goal is to have everything ready by the end of June, depending on the fender situation, because I'm still trying to find someone with a front fender. Currently talking to someone right now about getting it, so hopefully I can go pick that up soon and it'll fit and work good and everything will be right. You done, Haley? See if I found a product. Guys, that's a close-up. Dude, it's gonna look so sick when it dries.
It is more round than regular splatter, but I think.
Yeah, I think it looks good. Thank you, Haley, for splattering it. What?
That dripped right there, and it's gonna. Is that okay?
It's fine, it's a seatbelt thing. You can barely see that. You'll be fine. What are you eating on?
Huh?
Are those plantain things?
Banana chips.
I thought it was plantain.
No, the other one.
Oh. But yeah, sorry, like I was saying, hopefully I can get that fender, get it all on. That's kind of like the last thing that I'm really worried about. But yeah, so we got this fender right here that looks really bad, back quarter panel. I still have to finish sanding this, but I can't move the car out because it's not running currently. But hopefully that will change tomorrow, or probably Thursday for me, probably Friday for you guys. But yeah, finish up a little bit of sanding on the bumper, and then I gotta prime everything and then get it ready for dip. Also, I got some concrete to do the end of the driveway so I don't scrape when I leave with the wide body kit, because that's a pain, and my exhaust grate so I back out straight. Also got to finish this bumper. And you know what? Since I haven't really been posting in a while, I'm going to actually show you a lot of the parts that I have for this car that you guys probably don't know about. So, shout out to Pac-Man Z for this one. But I got the PMZ. Oh shit, I'm gonna drop stuff on my thing. Alright, well that just dropped. I got the PMZ louvers. I just literally hit myself in the face with it. These are gonna look so sick. I'll show you what they look like on the car, just to give you an idea. But yeah, I love these things so much. Haley, can you hold the camera and point at the car? But yeah, so I'm super psyched to see these actually on the car, finished. Pretty good fitment, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, so these are gonna get painted and also, well, dipped as well, and then put on the car. And then also, we have a few other things. I got a new nose panel because my nose panel broke. So we have that. Dude, sorry, I did not organize the garage to show everything, but I haven't filmed in a while. And I wanna show you all the stuff that I've just been collecting over the past, you know, month or two. But yeah, so I got a new nose panel. It's the one with a vent. Shout out to someone on eBay for this thing. Pretty good quality, honestly, feels like. And then also, this is actually for my birthday from like 2 years ago or a year ago. My friend Ben gave me this. It says "Why So Serious" for the bumper. So I'll be putting that on too. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I already showed you guys the downpipes, but somehow that had oil all over it. But I already showed you guys the downpipes, and that's not going on for probably a while just because I don't want to pull this motor out. I already had half of it out. I already had most of it out actually. But everything should be back. Literally just have to get a new wire thing, like a connector for that so I can run it to the battery. I also want to make a new housing bracket because this one sucks and it moves a lot. So that's probably the next thing I'm going to do. And then I got to also fix the front end alignment because it's not the best, as you guys can tell from most of my pictures. But yeah, I think that's most of the stuff. The side skirts are getting sanded down too. And the bumper, fog lights I have as well. These are, I don't know if you guys have seen these, but these are like the tinted ones that look dope, so super sick. Super psyched to put those on. And then obviously we've got the wide body kit right there, just laying there chilling. You know, I had this whole area cleaned up like literally yesterday. But, you know, everybody's working on their own projects and everything, so kind of gets cluttered fast. But I think it's going to do it for today's video. I will probably put the install of the rest of those parts in the next video. Also, me fixing this car and hopefully get it running. That's what I'm going to try to do. But we also have to finish this whole seat right here. So I have to buy a lot more paint or dye or whatever you want to call it. And the rest of the interior, the glove box, this door panel, all this plastic stuff in here. But yeah, so hopefully I can get all this stuff done soon. I just want to turn this car like completely like insane. I just want it to look amazing. I'm like really trying to work hard to get all this stuff done as soon as possible for you guys, because I know you guys want to see it painted. Because I know you guys want to see it painted almost as much as I want to see it painted. So I'm trying to get this done quick. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, go check out the website. It's gonna be like up here somewhere and then the first link in the description. And yeah, I love these shirts. They're super dope. Go cop one. But if you haven't already, go subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.